Part 2. Directions. Now you will hear a question or statement followed by 3 responses. Choose the best response to each question or statement.
Question number 16.
When will the bicycles be ready?
A. Tomorrow after 3 o'clock. B. They cost $20. C. We need 2 wheels.
Question number 17.
Take the train on track 11.
A. The plane leaves now. B. Okay, thank you. C. I don't think it will rain.
Question number 18.
Did you hear the phone message from Betsy?
A. What message? B. I don't know where she is. C. She didn't hear you.
Question number 19.
How many players do we need on each team?
A. About 6 teams. B. The game ends at 9. C. We always play with 5.
Question number 20.
What's your first name?
A. My surname is Pavel. B. It's Helen. C. Fine, thank you.
Question number 21.
Can you pass the salt?
A. We're passing the bridge now. B. Sure, here you are. C. It's not my fault.
Question number 22.
Turn on the news. It begins in 5 minutes.
A. She talked for 30 minutes. B. Are those new shoes? C. Okay, what channel is it on?
Question number 23.
How many people are going on the trip?
A. At least 45. B. They're taking a bus. C. The first stop is Indonesia.
Question number 24.
Have you heard this band's new CD?
A. Make it louder, please. B. No, I don't like their music. C. Let me give you a hand.
Question number 25.
Why don't we have lunch tomorrow?
A. I never eat salad. B. Sorry, I can't. C. I'm hungry.
Question number 26.
May I see your ticket, please?
A. Didn't I show it to you? B. Isn't the sea beautiful? C. Where does it arrive?
Question number 27.
It's almost 5 o'clock. We have to hurry.
A. You're right, or we'll be late. B. You have the most. C. You got there on time.
Question number 28.
What is the exchange rate?
A. I don't have any change. B. Just go to the second counter. C. Today it is 1.7 to the dollar.
Question number 29.
Will we make it to the 8 o'clock show?
A. Sure, we have 20 minutes. B. What did you eat? C. She made one last year.
Question number 30.
What's the score of the game?
A. At 7 p.m. B. It's a basketball game. C. We're winning 50 to 35.
Question number 31.
Would you like something to drink?
A. Yes, a steak sandwich, please. B. Just water. C. There are 5 of us.
Question number 32.
Who's coming to dinner?
A. Aren't Julie and John? B. Is he a good cook? C. It isn't mine.
Question number 33.
That is a beautiful purse.
A. They're ugly, aren't they? B. No, it's this one. C. Thanks, I bought it yesterday.
Question number 34.
I have to get a package at the post office.
A. It is outside the building. B. I'll go with you. I want to mail a letter. C. I haven't started packing.
Question number 35.
Hello, this is Jack.
A. Are we? B. Hi, is Sarah there? C. Can I go now?